गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत शृण्वन्नोतभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजनीवती दीनामवित्रयवतो गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवाहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय ॐ नमस्ते रुद्रमन्यव उतोत इषवे नमः नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुत ते नमः यात इषु शिवतमा शिवं बभूव ते धनुः शिवा शरव्या यातवतया नो रुद्रमडया या ते रुद्र शिवा तनूरघोरा पापकाशिनी तया नस्तनुवाशन्तमया गिरिशन्ताभिजाकशीः यामिषुं गिरिशन्तहस्ते बिभर्षस्तवे शिवां गिरित्रतां कुरु माहि गुंसेः पुरुषं जगत शिवेन वचसा त्वा गिरिशाचावधामसि यथा नः सर्वमिज्जगत यक्ष्मगं सुमना असत अध्यवोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो देव्योऽभिषक अहेग्यश्च सर्वान् जम्भयन्त् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असो यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रुः सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्र अभितो दिक्षु श्रिता सहस्रशो वैशागुं हेडयीमहे असो यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उतेनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उतेनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयतिनः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीरुषे अथो ये अस्य सत्त्वानोऽहं तेभ्यो करन्नमः प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्त्वमुभयोरात्मीयोर्जाम् याश्च ते हस्त इषवः पराता भगवो वपा अवतत्यदनुस्त्वगं सहस्राक्षशुधे शुधे निशीर्य शल्यानां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव विज्जं धनुः कपर्दिनोऽभिशल्यो बाणवागम् उत अनेशन्नस्येषव आभुरस्य निषङ्गतिः या ते हे धर्मे दुष्टमहस्ते बभूव ते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुज नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणक्तो विश्वतः अतो य इषुदिस्तवारे अस्मन्निदेहितम् नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः नमो हिरण्यबाहवे सेनान्ये दिशाञ्च पतये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पतये नमो नमः सस्पिञ्जराय त्विषीमते पथीनां पतये नमो नमो बभ्लुषाय विद्याधीनेनां पतये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीतिने पुष्टानां पतये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्ये जगत्तां पतये नमो नमो रुद्राय ततादिने क्षेत्राणां पतये नमो नमः सूताय हन्त्याय वनानां पतये नमो नमो रोहिताय स्तपतये वृक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो मन्त्रणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो भुवन्तये वारिवस्कृतायौषधीनां पतये नमो नमः उच्चैर्घोषाय क्रन्दयते पत्तीनां पतये नमो नमः कृत्स्नवीताय धावते सत्त्वनां पतये नमः नमः सहमानाय नव्यादिन आव्यादिनीनां पतये नमो नमः ककुभाय निषङ्गिणे स्तेनानां पतये नमो नमो निषङ्गिन इषुधिमते तस्कराणां पतये नमो नमो वञ्जते परिवञ्जते स्तायूनां पतये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचरायारण्यानां पतये नमो नमः श्रिकाविभ्यो जिगागं सत्भ्यो मुष्णतां पतये नमो नमो सिमद्भ्यो नक्तं चरभ्यः प्रकृन्तानां पतये नमो नमः ऊष्णीशिने गिरिचराय कुलुञ्चानां पतये नमो नमः इषुमद्भ्यो धन्वाविभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आतन्वानेभ्यः प्रतितधानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आयश्चद्भ्यो विसृजद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमो स्यद्भ्यो विद्यद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आसीनेभ्यश्च यानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्वपद्भ्यो जाग्रद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्तिष्ठद्भ्यो धावद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो अश्वेभ्यो अश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमः आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविद्यन्तिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः उगणाभ्यस्त्रिगंहतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो घृत्सेभ्यो घृत्सपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो व्रातेभ्यो व्रातपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो महत्यः क्षुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रतिभ्यो रतेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथेभ्यो रत्तपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सेनानीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः क्षत्तर्भ्यः सङ्ग्रहीतर्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तक्षभ्यो रथकार्येभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः इषुकृभ्यो धन्वकृभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यः श्वनीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः श्वभ्यः श्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शर्वाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिकण्ठाय च नमः कपर्दिने च व्युप्तकेशाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शतधन्वने च नमो गिरिशाय च शिपिविष्टाय च नमो मीरुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो रसवाय च वामनाय च नमो प्रहते च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च संवृद्ध्वने च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आशवे च जिराय च नमः शीघ्रियाय च शेव्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय च वस्वन्याय च नमः श्रोतस्याय च द्वेद्याय च नमो ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमः पूर्वजाय च परजाय च नमो मध्यमाय च पगर्भाय च नमो जघन्याय च भूत्नीयाय च नमः सोऽभ्याय च प्रतिसर्याय च नमो याम्याय च क्षेम्याय च नमः उर्वर्याय च खल्याय च नमः श्लोक्याय च वसान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कक्षाय च नमः श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च नमः आशुषेणाय च श्रुताय च नमः शूराय च वबिन्दते च नमो वर्मिने च वरुतिने च नमो बिल्मिने च कवचिने च नमः श्रुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय च हनन्याय च नमो धृष्णवे च प्रमृषाय च नमो दूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिने चेषु धीमते च नमः तीक्ष्णीषवे च युधिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुधन्वने च नमः श्रुत्याय च पत्याय च नमः काट्याय च नेप्याय च नमः सूध्याय च सरस्याय च नमो नाध्याय च वेशन्ताय च नमः कूप्याय च वत्याय च नमो वर्षाय च नमो मेघ्याय च विद्युत्याय च नमः ईध्रियाय च तप्याय च नमो वात्याय च रेश्मियाय च नमो वास्तव्याय च वास्तुपाय च ॐ हर 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 ॐ नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमः ताम्राय च रुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नमः उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वदाय च दूरे वदाय च नमो हन्त्रे च हनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्ताराय नमः शम्भवे च मयोभवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च नमः स्थित्याय च खोल्याय च नमः पार्याय च भार्याय च नमः प्रतरणाय चोतरणाय च नमः आतार्याय च लाद्याय च नमः षष्प्याय च फेन्याय च नमः सिकट्याय च प्रवाह्याय च नमः इरण्याय च प्रपत्याय च नमः किगंशिलाय च क्षयनाय च नमः कपर्दिने च पुलस्तये च नमो कोष्ठाय च कृत्याय च नमः स्तल्प्याय च गेग्याय च नमः काट्याय च गवरेष्ठाय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेश्याय च नमः पागं सव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्क्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नमः उर्व्याय च सूर्म्याय च नमः पर्ण्याय च पर्णशत्याय च नमो पगुरमाणाय च भिघ्नते च नमः आखिदते च प्रखिदते च नमो वक्किरिकेभ्यो देवानागं हृदयेभ्यो नमो वीक्षिणकेभ्यो नमो वीक्षिन्वट्केभ्यो नमः आनिरहतेभ्यो नमः आमिवट्केभ्यः द्रापे अंधसस्पते दरिद्रन्नीललोहिता येषां पुरुषाणां येषां पशूनां माभेर्मा रोमो येषां किञ्चन ममता या ते रुद्र शिवा तनो शिवा विश्वाह भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी तया नो बृरजीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वीराय प्रबरामहे मतिं यथा न शमशद्विपते चतुष्पते विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन् नातुरम् मृडानो रुद्रोत नो मयस्कृति क्षयद्वीराय नमसा विधेमते यच्चं च योश्च मनुरायजे पिता तदश्यम तव रुद्र प्रणीतो मानो महान्तमुत्तमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्तमुत्तमान उक्षितं मानो वदी पितरं मोत मातरं प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः मानस्तोके तनये मान आयुषि मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषु रीरिषः वीरान् मानुरुद्रभामितो वदिरः विष्मन्तो नमसा विधेमते आरात्य गोग्न उत पूरुषग्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुम्नमस्मे ते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधि च देवा ब्रूयदा च न शर्मा यच्चत् द्विबरः ष्टुहि श्रुतं गर्सदं युवानं मृगान्नभीममुपहत्नुमुग्रं मृडा चरित्रे रुद्रास्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निवपन्तु सेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतर्वृणक्तु परितेशस्य धुर्मतिरगायोः अवस्थिरा मघवत्पयस्तनुष्वमीध्वस्तोकाय तनयाय मृडया नीरुष्टमशिवतमा शिवो न सुमना भव परमे वृक्ष आयुधन्निदाय कृतं वसान आचर पिनाकं बिभ्रदागहि विकिरित विलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगं हेतयोऽन्यमस्मन्निव पन्तु ताः सहस्राणि सहस्रदा बाहुवो स्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीना मुखाकृति सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्यां तेषागं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि अस्मिन् महन्त्यन्नवेऽन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि नीलग्रीवाशितिकण्ठाः शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवाशितिकण्ठा दिवगुं रुद्र उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानाम् अधिपतयो विशिकास कपर्दिनः ये अन्येषु विविद्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिपतो जनानां ये पथां पतिरक्षय एलभृदायव्युधः ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति श्रिकावन्तो निषङ्गिनः य एतवन्तश्च भूयागंसश्च दिशो रुद्रावितस्थिरे तेषागं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्याम्येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीद्दश दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीद्दशोदीचीद्दशो द्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु तेयं द्विष्वयश्च नो द्वेष्टितं वोजम्भे दधामि त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्नो यो अप्सु य ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु ये ते सहस्रमयुतं पाशा मृत्यो मर्त्यया हन्तवे तान् यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानवायजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा प्राणानां ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो मा विशान्तकः तेनान्येनान्त्यायस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे पाहि तमुष्टुहि अस्विषु सुदन्वायो विश्वक्षयति भेषजस्य यक्ष्वा महेशो मनसाय रुद्रं नमो भीर्देवमसुरं दुवस्य अयमे हस्तो भगवान् अयमे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विश्वभेषजो यगं शिवाभिमर्षणः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः शं च मे मयश्च मे प्रियं च मे नुकामश्च मे कामश्च मे सोमनशश्च मे भद्रं च मे श्रेयश्च मे वशश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे द्रविणं च मे यन्ता च मे दर्ता च मे क्षेमश्च मे धृतिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संवित् च मे ज्ञात्रं च मे सुश्च मे प्रसुश्च मे शिरं च मे लयश्च मरुत्तं च मे अमृतं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयच्च मे जीवातुश्च मे दीर्घायुत्वं च मे नमित्रं च मे भयं च मे सुगं च मे शयनं च मे सुषा च मे सुदिनं च मे स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका सिद्धिदाता शिवतनया सिद्धिदाता शिवतनया सिद्धिदाता शिवतनया सिद्धिदाता शिवतनया सिद्धिप्रदायक गजानना सिद्धिप्रदायक गजानना साई सिद्धिप्रदायक गजानना साई सिद्धिप्रदायक गजानना पार्वती नंदन भवभयभञ्जन पार्वती नंदन भवभयभञ्जन पार्वती नंदन भवभयभञ्जन पार्वती नंदन भवभयभञ्जन युग युग वन्दित जय श्री गणेश युग युग वन्दित श्री गणेश युग युग वन्दित साई गणेश युग युग वन्दित साई गणेश गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका सिद्धिदाता शिवतनया सिद्धिदाता शिवतनया सिद्धिप्रदायक गजानना साई सिद्धिप्रदायक गजानना पार्वती नंदन भवभयभञ्जन पार्वती नंदन भवभयभञ्जन युग युग वन्दित जय श्री गणेश युग युग वन्दित जय श्री गणेश युग युग वन्दित साई गणेश युग युग वन्दित साई गणेश वदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका
साई साई स्मरण करो साई साई स्मरण करो साई साई स्मरण करो साई साई
दया करो साई माँ, कृपा करो साई माँ, दया करो साई माँ, कृपा करो साई माँ। जय माँ, जय माँ, जय देवी भवानी 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 माँ। जय प्रतिनिवासिनी माँ, जय साक्षी भवानी माँ। जय प्रतिनिवासिनी माँ, जय साक्षी भवानी माँ। जय प्रतिनिवासिनी माँ, जय साक्षी भवानी माँ। जय प्रतिनिवासिनी माँ, जय साई भवानी माँ। देवी भवानी माँ, जय साई भवानी माँ। देवी भवानी माँ, जय साई भवानी माँ। दया करो साई माँ, कृपा करो साई माँ, दया करो साई माँ, कृपा करो साई माँ। जय माँ, जय माँ, जय देवी भवानी माँ। जय माँ, जय माँ, जय देवी भवानी माँ। जय प्रतिनिवासिनी माँ, जय साक्षी भवानी माँ। जय प्रतिनिवासिनी माँ, जय साई भवानी माँ। जय प्रतिनिवासिनी माँ, जय साई भवानी माँ। जय प्रतिनिवासिनी माँ, जय साई भवानी माँ। देवी भवानी माँ, जय साई भवानी माँ।
dim dim dimmi dimmi natana shiva.
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 Tandava keli vilasa shiva.
Tandava keli vilasa shiva.
Tandava keli vilasa shiva.
Tandava keli vilasa shiva.
Dim dim dimmi dimmi natana shiva.
dim dim dimmi dimmi natana shiva.
Leela manusha vesha shiva.
Leela manusha vesha shiva.
Leela manusha vesha shiva.
Leela manusha vesha shiva.
Lingol bhavakara sai shiva.
Atmalingo Bhavakara Sai Shiva.
Lingol bhavakara sai shiva.
Atmalingo Bhavakara Sai Shiva.
Sai shiva har bala shiva.
Sai साई शिवा हर बाल शिवा
साई शिवा हर बाल शिवा
साई शिवा हर बाल शिवा
दिम दिम दिमि दिमि नटन शिवा
दिम दिम दिमि दिमि नचन शिवा
तांडव केली विलास शिवा
तांडव केली विलास शिवा
दिम दिम दिमि दिमि नटन शिवा
दिम दिम दिमि दिमि नचन शिवा
लीला मानुष वेश शिवा
लीला मानुष वेश शिवा
लिंगोद्भव कर साई शिवा
आत्मलिंगोद्भव कर साई शिवा
साई शिवा हर बाल 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 शिवा दिम दिम दिमि दिमि नचन शिवा
गरुड वाहना नारायणा गरुड वाहना नारायणा गरुड वाहना नारायणा
క్షీరాబ్దిశయన నారాయణ క్షీరాబ్దిశయన క్షీరాబ్దిశయన నారాయణ క్షీరాబ్దిశయన శ్రీలక్ష్మీ రమణ నారాయణ నారాయణ హరి నారాయణ 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 శ్రీమన్నారాయణ నారాయణ నరహరి రూప నారాయణ నరహరి రూప నరహరి రూప నారాయణ నరహరి రూప వైకుంఠవాస నారాయణ వైకుంఠవాస వైకుంఠవాస నారాయణ వైకుంఠవాస వైదేహి మోహన నారాయణ హే వైకుంఠవాస నారాయణ వైకుంఠవాస వైదేహి మోహన నారాయణ నారాయణ లక్ష్మీ నారాయణ నారాయణ లక్ష్మీ నత జన పరిపాలన నారాయణ నత జన పరిపాలన క్షీరాబ్ది శయన నారాయణ క్షీరాబ్ది శయన క్షీరాబ్ది శయన నారాయణ క్షీరాబ్ది శయన శ్రీలక్ష్మీ రమణ నారాయణ నారాయణ లక్ష్మీ నారాయణ 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 శ్రీమన్నారాయణ నారాయణ నరహరి రూప నారాయణ నరహరి రూప వైకుంఠవాస నారాయణ వైకుంఠవాస వైదేహి మోహన నారాయణ వైకుంఠవాస వైకుంఠవాస నారాయణ వైకుంఠవాస వైదేహి రమణ నారాయణ నారాయణ హరి నారాయణ నారాయణ నరహరి రూప నారాయణ నరహరి రూప క్షీరాబ్ది శయన నారాయణ శ్రీలక్ష్మీ రమణ నారాయణ.
ॐ तत्सत् श्रीनारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तु सिद्धबुद्ध तु स्कन्द विनायक सविता पावक तु सविता पावक तु ब्रह्ममज्ज तु यहोव शक्ति तु येषु पिता प्रभु तु रुद्रविष्णु तु रामकृष्ण तु रहीमताओ तु रहीमताओ तु वासुदेव गो विश्वरूप तु चिदानंद हरि तु अद्वितीय तु अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु. असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया. शांति शांति शांति.
I offer my humble prostrations at the lotus feet of my Lord and Master, Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba and Om Shri Sai Ram, loving aspirants of Sai. On behalf of Chats with Region 2, we welcome you to this morning's devotional program. We pray that with Swami's grace, you and your family are enjoying 2021 and are keeping well thus far. Thank you to all our brothers and sisters for the beautiful bhajans rendered this morning. The infographic for this week is Man's Misadventures. Man's misadventures have created several problems for the entire mankind. He has polluted the 5 elements, causing havoc on the earth. There is pollution everywhere, in air, water, food, and so on. His misdeeds, coupled with his evil thoughts and feelings, have degraded human life on earth. If man acts in the righteous way, there will be no pollution at all. Unquote, Satya Sai Baba. Remember, go green, go divine. This morning, Brother Stephen Mudley of the Amshlatuzana Sai Center will share his Namavali experience with us.
Om Sai Ram to my sweet Lord Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba and Om Sai Ram loving spiritual aspirants. Today I will narrate one of our family experiences with Namavali number 4. Om Shri Sai Varadaya Namaha. Lord Sai, who is the bestower of all boons and goodness. I will narrate to you our experiences with regards to the South African production Ubuntu In the months before Ubuntu, the year 2009-2010, November to Jan, we just arrived from our trip to Puttaparthi. For whatever reason, our desire to spend more and more time with Swami became a bit of an obsession. Our trips to Swami just got longer and longer, and from day one, it was not negotiable, but to stay inside the ashram, spending more than 99% of our time within the ashram walls. This last trip was no different, where we were out of the country for 48 days and spent 38 days in Puttaparthi with our sweet Lord and having some awesome and amazing experiences. On returning, we heard about Ubuntu, the South African production to Swami, and we wanted to be a part of this experience. Because we knew we could not go, as I had returned back to work still owing my company leave, and I had exhausted most of my savings. So to be part of Ubuntu experience, our family was quite content with assisting with all of the mementos, the wall hangings, the key rings, and my wife Vanessa and her team doing the beading for the outfits for some of the Ubuntu drama. Very quickly, everything changed when my sister Charmaine was going for Ubuntu with her family, arrived one evening a few months before Ubuntu was about to leave to India. She came with a message as simple as, "Steve, we are going for Ubuntu and you and your family must also come." I said, "No ways, because I have no leave or money." She said, "That is my message," and just left. That night I could not sleep, tossing and turning about, thinking about her words. I woke up next morning, went to the prayer room and spoke to Swami and saying, "How can he allow my sister to come and corrupt my mind like this?" I said to him, "Swami, if this is your will, I will check with my manager, and if my leave is granted, then we will take the next steps." When I asked my manager, I still remember his words, "You still owe the company leave. If I have to take as much leave as you do, I will be very worried whether I still have a job." I replied, "See, I don't have to worry about that because my Lord will take care of my career." He just could not believe what I had said, shook his head and said, "I will see what I can do." The next day, he said, "Your 3 weeks leave is granted." So now all the drama starts. I then marched back to the prayer room and said, "Swami, okay, you've given us this first boon. What about the money?" And just 2 weeks later, we were given a bonus by the company, which was the exact amount for our tickets. That's boon number 2 given. I still remember marching back to the prayer room to thank him, but also to say, "Swami, we still need spending money. You can't send us to Puttaparthi without any money." Anyway, we were all set to go now. In all of my trips, my wife Vanessa always had the desire to once at least spend Dasara with Swami and also her birthday with Swami. So we were the last batch to leave South Africa as we wanted to spend Dasara with Swami. The day before leaving, my wife needed a few things for our trip and we went to games in Pavilion. Outside of games, something extremely unusual happened. A young lady in a cardboard box, something I had never seen before, with the label SARS, South African Revenue Services. I started telling her about my 1 year of tax approximately 4 years ago in 2007 that just could not get resolved, and I've had so many meetings with SARS personnel and sent so many emails but still could not get it resolved. She said, "Well, what paperwork do you have?" I said, "I have nothing. I did not know you will be here, but I can give you my ID number and tax number." She replied, "I cannot guarantee you anything, but I will see what I can do." So 2 days after arriving in Puttaparthi, I went to do some internet banking. externally in an internet cafe, and lo and behold, boon number 3 was given. A large sum of money in my account from the South African Revenue Services. Once again, the magnitude of just being there for Ubuntu, I think, only hit home when I met another devotee from South Africa and he was sharing his story. He did not want to come to Puttaparthi. He had never been here before, and a friend of his was trying so hard to get him to go for Ubuntu and to get his form signed by the chairperson to it. But he just was not interested and he did not want to get his form signed. Eventually, she took the form, she got it signed by the chairperson and got him to book his tickets. And lo and behold, this young lady that was going to come with him and her family, they had a family emergency a few days before Ubuntu and had to cancel their trip. So here is proof. There were many of us, his children, that Swami could not deny the vision of his physical darshan prior to him taking samadhi, which happened literally 6 months after we left his abode. And Ubuntu, as everyone knows, was Swami's final parting gift to devotees from South Africa and Africa. And what awesome memories we all had with Ubuntu. I mean, Swami was so happy. He was so excited. He was grinning from ear to ear. And everybody that were there for Ubuntu, they know exactly what they had experienced. But Swami did not stop with our boons at that point. He still conferred on us many boons. My son Kumaran one morning had a dream of Swami coming in darshan and blessing us. And he got up that morning screaming, and I asked him what happened, and he said, "So Dad, this is the dream I had." I said, "Well, are you coming with me? I'm going for token lines." He said, "Please wait, I'm coming." We went for token lines and we got token number 2. And we were sitting in the first row, and he said to me, "Dad, this is the exact same place as in the dream." Swami came in his car, did something so unusual, went past the ladies section, through the portico in the reverse direction of darshan, parked in front of us, opened the sliding door and came right to us, smiled and gave us his darshan. More boons he had granted was both my younger son Srinivasan and my wife Vanessa. Both got row number 1 token lines because it was their birthdays, and he came and gave them also awesome darshans. One of the other events that happened one day while I was buying books in the bookstore, and I could see everybody being all frantic, and I realized something's happening, and I realized that Swami must be coming. So I grabbed my books and I ran outside, and the ropes were already on the road with the Sevadals holding those ropes, and I just went underneath these ropes, went onto the opposite side to be closer to Swami as he was driving past. And lo and behold, here comes our sweet Lord. And I was the only person standing on this section of the road, and he just gave me his Abhayasta and a beautiful smile. And as many of you may have experienced, getting this kind of darshan makes you very emotional and really brings you down to your knees. And one of the final boons that Swami had granted for my wife's birthday, spending it with Swami and also with the Aunt Kamala, an ardent devotee of Swami with awesome memories that she and experiences that she has had with Bhagavan. And as life would have it, she passed away shortly after returning to South Africa. Thank you, Swami, for being the ultimate mother of all mothers and granting us this final vision of you physically before taking Samadhi. We love you so much, Swami, and please continue to guide and guard your loving children. Jai Sai Ram.
Thank you, Brother Stephen, for sharing your experience with us. The announcements for this week is as follows. Our Sunday morning program starts off with Sadhana at 5:30 a.m., Havan at 7 a.m. Thank you to Silver Glen Sai Center for conducting the Havan this morning. 7:30 a.m. is the regional online devotional program. At 9:15 a.m., regional online Vedam classes. The next regional study circle takes place on the 14th of January and will be facilitated by the Woodhurst Sai Center. The education wing announcements. A friendly reminder to all parents that Balvika's classes will resume on the online platform on the 29th of January. Our Seva wing announcements. The SPCA Seva, which entails collection of dog and cat food, old blankets and pillows, and old clothing in a good condition, is ongoing. Your Go Green initiatives, which entail the making of eco-bricks, creating vegetable and herb gardens, and the planting of speckboom. Devotees are also encouraged to carry on with Likit Japa. We will now view a video. Thereafter, we will rise for Aarti. During Aarti, please pray for the sick and needy, peace within ourselves and in our country and the world at large. We pray that with Swami's grace, you and your families are protected at all times. Have a blessed week ahead. Jai Sai Ram.
Despite its remoteness, news about a saintly boy with miraculous powers quickly spread, and slowly but surely, people came from many places to Puttaparthi to have his darshan. There being no space for this in the house in which he was born, for a while Swami used the adjacent building, which was the residence of his neighbor Karnam Subbamma, who was almost his second mother. It soon became necessary to have a separate accommodation, which was set up in a piece of land donated by Karnam Subbamma. Thus came into existence the famous Pata Mandiram, or the Old Mandir. Many other remarkable leelas or miracles that Baba performed during this phase of his avatarhood. Typically, these experiences were given to devotees in the evening, when he took them out to the sands of the Chitravati river for an extended bhajan and chat session. Not many had the good fortune of seeing them, but among the blessed few who did, some have recorded for posterity what they saw. One such is Mrs. Vijaya Kumari, who at the time she witnessed these incredible leelas of God was a young girl. Those leelas made a deep impression on her, and even now, 60 years later, she is able to relive every single one of those precious moments. Here is Mrs. Vijay Kumari's description of a truly awe-inspiring leela that she witnessed during the Pata Mandiram days. One day in 1947, we went with Swami to the Chitravati river. All of a sudden, he disappeared from our midst. We then heard his voice which said, "I am here on the hill, and I am going to now show you all Surya Darshan, the vision of God as Sun." We began to wonder. It is past 6 in the evening and the sun has already set. And now Swami is saying he would show us the sun. That was when we began to laugh. Just then we began to see a pink light behind Swami. Quickly pink turned into red and we began to feel very hot. The heat made us sweat profusely and was unbearable. At the same time, the scene we saw was beautiful, indeed beyond description. Finding the heat unbearable, we loudly complained, "Swami, it is too hot." He replied, "Is that so?" And then slowly the heat began to decrease when Swami suddenly announced, "I am now going to show you the moon." Even as he uttered those words, the sky behind him gradually began to turn silvery white, and the air started to cool rapidly. Soon we began to feel very cold and started shivering. Our teeth began to chatter and we screamed, "Swami, it is too cold!" Taking pity on us, Swami made the chill disappear, after which he said, "I am now going to show all of you the third eye. Watch carefully and don't look here and there." As we stood there watching his full form, we suddenly saw only his face, huge in size, filling the entire sky. Even as we were watching all this with awe and wonder, an orifice appeared in between his eyebrows, from which flew giant sparks and huge flames. Instead of being lost to this extraordinary spectacle of divine glory, we now became very worried and anxious as we could see only Swami's face. We began to wonder, what has happened to Swami's body? Have the flames harmed Swami? That was the thought uppermost in our minds. Meanwhile, many people fell down and some even fainted, but I did not realize it then. Suddenly, in a flash, the entire spectacle came to an abrupt end. The sky was back to normal as if nothing had ever happened, while Swami was with us on the Chitravati sands. He then asked why some people had fallen down. We said that we did not know the reason. Swami then created sacred ash or vibhuti and applied it to everyone's forehead. Having done that, he said, "Come on, let us return to the mandir." We started walking back, but most of us were quite unsteady and wobbling. Back in the mandir, with much love, Swami said, "Today I have granted you the blessing of Trinetra Darshan, the vision of the third eye for which you all have been pining in many previous births. What I have shown you is not even 1,000th of the full glory, and what little I showed made many of you to fall down, unable to bear the power of that sight." That was when some kind of normalcy started returning amongst us. Word quickly began to spread, and many took the trouble of coming all the way to Puttaparthi to have the darshan of young Baba, despite all the difficulties of reaching that place. This included some of the elite of big cities like Bangalore, Hyderabad and Madras, now called Chennai. Indeed, even the Maharani of Mysore came several times, although she had to walk across the sands of the Chitravati river, since there was no direct road as yet to Puttaparthi. Not merely that, in response to invitations from these people, Swami started visiting various cities, and thus it is that he went to Madras, Bangalore, Mysore, Hyderabad and the hill station Ooty. Elder brother Seshamaraju, already much disappointed by his brother's decision to drop out of school, was now deeply concerned. Not yet fully aware of Baba's divinity, he began to worry about the impact of the attention that his younger brother was receiving, especially in the press. In May 1947, Seshama wrote to Swami conveying his anxiety. Shortly thereafter, on 25th May, Swami wrote a reply. It was supposed to be a reply to his elder brother, but in reality, it was a prophetic message to humanity. In that letter, Baba says, in part, as the proverb says, it is only the fruit-laden tree that receives the shower of stone from the passers-by. The good always provoke the bad into calumny. The bad always provoke the good into doing more good. This is the nature of the world. One must be surprised if such things do not happen. People too have to be pitied rather than condemned. They do not know. They have no patience to judge correctly. They are too full of lust, anger, and conceit to see clearly and know fully. So they write all sorts of things. If only they know, they would refrain from writing or talking like that. We too should not attach any value to such comments and take them to heart as you seem to do. Truth will certainly triumph someday. Untruth can never win. Untruth might appear to overpower truth, but its victory would fade away and truth would establish itself. I have a task to foster all mankind and ensure for all people lives full of ananda. I have a vow to lead all who stray away from the straight path again into goodness and save them. I am attached to a work that I love, to remove the suffering of the poor and grant them what they lack. When I am thus engaged in my beneficial task, how can my name be ever tarnished as you apprehend? I would advise you not to heed to such absurd talk. Mahatmas do not acquire greatness through someone calling them so. They do not become small just because some call them small. Authenticity will soon win. No one can comprehend my glory, whosoever it may be, whatever be the method of inquiry, and no matter how long the attempt. You will yourself see the full glory unfolding in the coming years. Devotees must have patience and forbearance. I am not concerned, nor am I anxious that these facts should be made known. I have no need to write these words. I wrote them because I felt that you will be pained if I do not reply. Thus, yours, Baba.
Give thanks to the Lord, for He is good and His love endures forever. Give thanks to the Lord, for He is good and His love endures forever. He is good, He is good, and His love will forever endure. We will bless His name as we all proclaim that His love endures forever. Stars at night and His love endures forever. With outstretched arm and by His might and His love endures forever. Adonai, Adonai, Baruch Hashem Adonai, Adonai Melech, Adonai Melech, Adonai Yeshuateinu. Give thanks to the Lord, for He is good and His love endures forever. Give thanks to the Lord, for He is good and His love endures forever. He is good, He is good, and His love will forever endure. We will bless His name as we all proclaim that His love endures forever. You are good, and your love will forever endure. We will bless your name as we all proclaim your love endures forever. Your love endures forever. Your love endures forever.
ॐ जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपदान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदैवमु मरि अन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरि अन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्रशयन ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी हो साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति 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 जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय
परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थइष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थइष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं चित्रम् लीलाविभूतिम् परमार्थइष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानम् भावाविभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि।
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ 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 साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।